In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install WinRAR on Windows. Launch your web browser and go to WinRAR.com. Click on the Download tab. Scroll the list of download links, choose your correct language and platform. For Windows, select Windows from the platform drop-down menu and click Search. Select the 64-bit version for English and download it to your computer. Locate the Download WinRAR installer on your desktop and double-click it. Select Yes when prompted for admin permissions and use the default installation path or choose a different folder. Then click Install. Select file types to associate with WinRAR and choose whether to add WinRAR shortcuts to the desktop and Start menu. And when you're done, you'll have WinRAR installed on your PC successfully. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.